In this video, we're going to do some more graphing with inequalities, but this time it will be a graphing of a system of inequalities, more than one. We'll do the same thing we did before. We're going to graph the equality in each of these problems. So 2x minus 3y equals 6. If we put 0 in for x, we're going to get minus 3y equals 6. Y is equal to minus 2. So there's a point 0, comma, minus 2. If we put 0 in for the y, we're going to get 2x minus 3 times 0 equals 6. 2x equals 6, x equals 3. So we get the point then 3, comma, 0. So let's plot those two. 0 on the x, minus 2 on the y. 3 on the x, 0 on the y. And I want to include the points on my division here because it's a greater than or equal to. So we'll put a solid line here for this. Which side do we want to shade? Let's put 0, 0 in this now. Be 0 minus 0 greater than or equal to 6. Is that true or false? Is 0 greater than or equal to 6? No, it's not. So I don't want the points on this side. I want the points on the other side. So I want the points on this side. So here are the graphs. Here is the graph of that. How about the other problem? I'm going to erase what we have right here so we have some space to work again. And we'll take the other one. 4x plus y is less than 4. We'll graph the equality again. 4x plus y equals 4. We'll put 0 in for x. Y is equal to 4. So one of the points is 0, 4, my graph. Now we'll put 0 in for the y. So we have 4x plus 0 is equal to 4. X is equal to 1. So another point is 1, comma 0. Let's plot those. 0 on the x, 4 on the y. That would be up here. 1 on the x, 0 on the y, right here. Do I want to include them? No. This is just a less than, so we'll use a dashed line this time because we don't want to include the points on it. Which side do we shade? Let's put in the 0, 0 again for that because it's clearly on one side. So we have 4x plus y is less than or equal to 4. 0 plus 0 less than 4. Is 0 less than 4? Yes, it is. So I want to include the points on this side of my graph. So we'll graph those in a different color. We want to include the ones on this side. Now, what do they have in common? Where are both of them? Well, they are both in this area right in here. So this is my solution set. So we'll do that one in black then. And remember now, we want the points on that one line right here, but not the points on this line. So here is my solution set. Okay, and it's dashed lines here, and it's a solid line here. All right, let's look at the last problem. Now we have 3 in our system now. So we do the first one. It would be x, I'll put in 0 for x. X plus y equals 2. 0 plus y equals 2. So one point is 0 on the x and 2 on the y. Then we'll put in 0 for the y. So we have x plus 0 equals 2, x equals 2. So another point is 2, comma 0. Let's plot those points now. 0, 2. Here's 0 on the x, 2 on the y. And here is the other one right here. Do we want to include the points on that line? No, we do not. So it's a dashed line. Which side do we want to shade? Well, we'll pick 0, 0 and see where it falls. 0, 0. 0 plus 0 less than 2. Is 0 less than 2? Yes, it is. So I want the points on this side. Just put a little arrow there to indicate that. Now I want x's equal to y's. X's equal to y's. So we put in 0 for x, we get 0 for y. So there's a point right there. Let's put in 2 for x, we get 2 for y then. So 0.22 will also be on it. Do we want to include the points on this divider? No, we do not. So here's my next divider. Coming like this. And we're not going to include the points on it. Again. Which side do we shade? Now we got to pick something else. Let's pick the point up here. This is the point 0, 5. We'll put 0, 5 into this. We have x is greater than y, 0 greater than 5. Is that true or false? It's false. So we don't want the points up here. We want the points down here this time. And then the last we have is y is greater than or equals 0. So y equals 0, and that's the line that is right here. And we want to include this one because it is a greater than or equal to. So now what satisfies that? The points above it. So where do all three fit in? They fit in, and again, I think I'll use a different color. We'll use a blue color. It's this area right here is what satisfies all three. Not including this one, not including that one, but I am including that one. Hope that helps you solve a system of equations, and as always, have a very happy day.